Hello guys, first up in this video I will tell you about the HTML. After watching this video you will be able to design your own web page. In the previous lecture we have discussed how to write the basic syntax of HTML and some basic tags used in HTML. In this lecture I will tell you more about the tags, so let's begin. First of all, click on the VS Code and click on Explorer and select a file. I will select a file name as our own web.html. I will click on it and click to go live. Our web will be automatically opened. Now you can see that our web is live. We will write the syntax of the HTML, which is HTML tag. Inside the HTML tag I will write the head tag, and next I will write the body tag. In our web, the title is written as 127.0 something. I can change it by using title tag. I will write title tag. Inside the title tag I will write my own web page, and save it and refresh it. You can see that our title has changed to my own web page. Now in this lecture I will also tell you how to change the background theme of your web page. You can see that the web page color is white. We can change it by using bg color, a tag name, an attribute name as bg color. The body tag I will write bg color and write color such as silver, and I will save it. Now you can see that the color has been fully changed to silver. Now in this lecture I will tell you some tags. The first tag that I will discuss will be sub tag. Sub stand for subscript. For example, a student get first position and you write first as 1st and you will save it. The problem is that you need the st to be on the top or on the above of 1. So to correct this error you will need sub tag. You will write sub. Inside the sub tag you will write st. First of all we need to write paragraph tag. Inside the paragraph tag we will write sub. Inside the sub of the sub tag we will write st, and on the left side of the sub we will write 1, and we will save it. So this error can be corrected by using sub tag. Now we will use another tag named as sub, which stands for subscript. For example, the formula of water is H2O. We will write H2 as P inside. Inside the P tag I will write H2 and O, and I will save it. Now you can see that there is a problem that we need to be below H and O. So to correct this type of error I will use sub tag. I will write P. Inside P tag I will write sub. Inside the sub tag I will write 2. On the right of the sub I will write O, and on the left side I will write H, and I'm gonna save it. Now you can see that this error can be corrected by using sub tag. Now another tag which I will discuss will be div and span tag. Now I will write div tag. Inside the div tag I will write this is div tag, and save it. And I will write span tag also. I will write span. Inside the span tag I will write this is span tag, and I will gonna save it. Now there is no difference between them, so I will write an attribute. Inside div and span tag I will write style. Inside style I will write background color, and I will write color name as red and save it. And I will do same as what I done to div. I will write style Inside a style tag, the double quotation, I will write background color, and I'm gonna write a color name as gold and save it. So that's the difference. That's now for all. Take care. Bye.